Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name's Janur Winarko Pratama. You can call me Janur or Anu, and my student number is 261440040. Today, I'm going to briefly introduce myself using the SEAT framework. So, what exactly is SEAT? SEAT stands for Skills, Education, Achievement, and Type of Persons. This framework can be useful, especially in an interview, because it helps us introduce ourselves in a clear, organized way. Through SEAT, we can explain our skill, our educational background, our achievement and experience, and finally, what kind of person we are. So, let me introduce myself using these four parts. S for skills. First, stand for skills. I have several skills and interests that I'm currently developing. The first one in entrepreneurship. I'm interested in entrepreneurship because for me, being an entrepreneur is not only about making money. It is also about identifying a problem and finding solution that can provide value to other people. Besides entrepreneurship, I'm also interested in public speaking. I believe that communication skill are very important, especially when we want to share idea, work with other people, or build a business. Another skill that I'm interested in this experiment with an building machine. I enjoy learning how machine work, understanding how different components are connected and trying to build or develop something by myself. I also have an interest and experience in electrical installation. So, I would say that my skills and interests are quite diverse. On one side, in, I'm interested in communication and business, while on the other side, I also enjoy technical and engineering related activity. E for education. The second part is E, which stand for education. For my educational background, I study at SMAN 1 Ngawi. I took the Mathematics and Natural Science or MIPA program. Studying MIPA gave me an important foundation, especially in the way I think and solve problems. In MIPA, we are not only asked to memorize information, but also understand concept, analyze problems, and find solution. I think this background is related to my current interest, especially when I experiment with building machine and learning about electrical installation. My education has give me a foundation that encourage me to keep learning and trying new things. A. Achievement. The third the third part is A, which stand for achievement. When I talk about achievement, I don't only consider a word or achievement that are written on paper. For me, successfully learning something new, completing a project, or having the courage to try something challenging can also be considered an achievement. One thing that represents me is my willing to experiment and try to build things, especially in this area of machine and electricity. I am also continuously developing my skill in entrepreneurship and public speaking. Through this experience, I have learned that not every experiment will be successful on the first try. Sometimes we make mistake, experience failure, or get results that are different from what we expect. But I believe that those experience are valuable because they teach us to evaluate, improve, and try again. So for me, the most important achievement is not always the final result, but also the learning process and personal growth that come from every experience. T, type of person. And finally, T stand for type of person. If I had to describe myself, I would say that I'm someone who like learning, enjoy trying new things, and like experimenting. I also consider myself a curious person. When I find something interesting, I usually want to understand how it works and how I can make it better. I also want to become someone who is brave enough to take opportunities, not afraid to start something new. For me, whether in entrepreneurship or in life, we don't always have perfect condition. Sometimes we have to start with what we have learned along the way and improve ourselves over time. I want to continue developing myself as someone who is adaptable, willing to learn from mistakable to work with other people, and ready to face challenge. So that's a little introduction about myself. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. See you next time video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.